Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to see multiple days at once in Outlook Calendar. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to wait a moment for your emails to fully load before you can access the calendar features. Once everything has loaded up, look toward the lower left part of your screen. You'll notice several tabs displayed there, including options for Mail, Calendar, and other Outlook features. Click on the calendar icon to access your calendar menu. This is where you'll be able to view and manage all your scheduled events and appointments. Now that your calendar menu has opened, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see a section labeled Arrange. This area contains different viewing options that control how your calendar displays information. From the Arrange section, click on the Day option. When you do this, Outlook will display the current date of the calendar in a detailed view, showing you all the events and time slots for that specific day. Here's where the multiple day viewing comes in. To select and preview multiple days at once, you'll need to use the calendar panel on your left side. This smaller calendar view acts as a navigation tool for quickly jumping between dates. All you have to do is click and drag your cursor across the days you wish to preview in this left side calendar panel. For example, if you want to see 3 consecutive days, simply click on the first day and drag through to the third day while holding your mouse button down. As soon as you do this, you'll see all the selected days displayed at once in the main calendar area on the right. This gives you a comprehensive view of multiple days side by side, making it much easier to plan ahead and see how your schedule flows across several days without having to switch back and forth between individual dates. This feature is particularly useful when you're planning your week, coordinating meetings across multiple days, or just want to get a broader view of your upcoming schedule. By seeing several days at once, you can quickly identify gaps in your calendar, avoid scheduling conflicts, and better manage your time. And that's it. You've now set up your Outlook calendar to display multiple days at once, giving you better control over how you view and manage your schedule. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.